What's up guys, it's a new day. I got the K24 out and we're just going to clean up the engine bay and get it ready for stitch welding. It's pretty windy out there, so it's just going to be me showing you stuff. We're just going to take the AC out. We're going to put it back in later, but there's no refrigerant in it, so I'll have to figure out how to do that later. So we're gonna get the AC out, the power steering stuff out. We're probably gonna take the rack out, and I'm running out of battery again, so I'm gonna charge it while I do that because it's kind of boring to see me take out parts. Alright, so I just wanted to stop real quick. I got the power rack out, all the lines, the AC condenser and that thing, I don't know what it's called, the line that goes on the firewall. So taking the AC condenser out, I could pull the wiring to this side. So I took the tie rod ends out. So the only thing that's in here is all the brake and clutch stuff and the subframe and the K-frame. I might take that stuff out, I'm not sure, because I do want to paint that the brake booster. Got a lot of dirt need to clean up, and then we need to cut this out, the battery tray, and just cut it out. Alright, so I got the angle grinder and the wire wheel. So I got all those little tabs off, so there's just spot welds. So I just grinded down the spot welds, pulled it off. There on the side. So this side is pretty much done. We just need to clean it up and then mask everything off to paint. This side, I'm not sure yet if I want to take that off, so I'm just gonna clean everything. Alright, so I mixed up some water and purple power, and I'm just gonna spray everywhere and let it soak in for a little bit. So I've been spraying and like it's barely getting it. I'm gonna go get some brake cleaner and actually hit it with that, because that's what I use when I clean the Miata up, and it just fell right off. This K rail here is broke. I'm gonna have to fix that, reinforce it. I'm just trying to get this stitch welded up, so it's gonna be a wrong here, 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 this part of the frame. There's a crack back there on the firewall, so I had to weld that up. All up here, right here. Get this all solid. I got the welder, the grinder. I've been hitting it. I got the rad support, so this is solid down. Alright, so I got all this stitched up, all down here. You just need to grind out all the BBs from the flux core welder. That's just one side. I need to do the other side now, but this side should be solid. Rad support here is solid. So now we just gotta do this side. And then we gotta do the frame rail down here, but I'll do that later. But that's looking sick. Alright, so I finished stitch welding the upper half. So all this side is cleaned up already. And then this side needs to be hit with the brush. And then we need to clean it up and get it ready for paint. So yeah. I was able to stitch weld back here even with the brake stuff here, but I'll probably still take it out so we can paint back there as well. I'll go grab a quick thumbnail real quick. Alright, that's it for today's video. Next you'll see me paint the engine bay, probably white. But we'll get that painted, prepped, primered, painted, and then we're gonna do some actual mods pretty soon. So hit that subscribe button, like this video, and stay tuned for the next one. Next week, every Monday.